Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Standard Chartered to HSBC in 2025. With banking tech evolving fast, this process is simpler than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're sending funds for family, bills, or investments, this guide is tailored for 2025's updated systems. First things first, make sure you have your Standard Chartered account ready. Log in securely using your credentials or the app on your smartphone. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, select the option for international or interbank transfers. In 2025, Standard Chartered has streamlined this with new features like instant verification, so choose External Transfer and pick HSBC as the recipient bank from the drop-down list. You'll need to enter the recipient's HSBC account details accurately. Think account number, SWIFT code, and any additional info like the branch code to ensure smooth delivery. Now, input the amount you want to send. Keep an eye on the exchange rates and fees. In 2025, there might be reduced charges for digital transfers, but double-check for any currency conversion costs. After that, review all the details carefully to avoid errors. Remember, a simple mistake could delay your transfer. Hit Confirm and follow any two-factor authentication steps for security. Once approved, your money should be on its way. The transfer time can vary from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the banks and your locations. A quick tip: always verify the recipient's details and consider using Standard Chartered's 2025 mobile alerts to track your transfer in real time. That's it for the steps. Easy, right? If you run into issues, reach out to customer support from either bank. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy with your money. See you next time.